Hi guys, maayong udto, magandang tanghali, magandang hapon, and good afternoon world. This is Emily. Welcome back to my YouTube. Thank you for coming in. Guys, you're always welcome. Mga MZ Morana, welcome po kayong lahat sa ating YouTube. Kamusta po? How are you all? I hope you're doing all well. And kids are playing. Guys, samahan niyo ako mag-walking para maging healthy tayong lahat. Diba? Tama. At ang init ngayon, guys. Kahapon, it's raining. But today, it is sunny. It's sunny, guys. So, samahan niyo ako mag-walking around here. Mabilis ang lakad. And this is my outfit. Naka-jeans, maglakad-lakad. Walking too fast is very helpful sa ating kalusugan. Diba? Tama? It's tama. Huy daw. Yaw. Itong mga kabataan dito. So weird. Guys. Kasi naglalakad si exotic girl. Si exotic na MZ Morana. Ang kabataan dito, pasaway talaga. Hoy daw. Hoy din kayo sa mga Pilipina. Hoy kayo, diba? Guys, ang init It's init pero may hangin naman siya. That was so good. Ito ang mabilisang lakad natin, so we gonna do this every day, guys. Shout out to my mother, Guillerma. Please continue. Patuloy nyo ang paglakad-lakad. Tagabuntag. In town. Mother, para sa imuhaning kalusugan for your health. Lakad-lakad is very healthy. Diba? Tama. Lakad-lakad lang para dagdag sa kinabuhi, dagdag buhay, dagdag years. So it says it will dagdag years, madagdagan ang ating taon for doing walking every day for 30 minutes or more than 30 minutes, guys. And yeah, it can maintain your figure like this. If you believe, if you get motivated so well, so walk every day. That's really awesome, guys. Lakad lang, pawala sa stress. Kasi stress free, guys, pag maglakad-lakad tayo. That's very true. Yun ito, may naligo ngayon sa dagat. Ang dagat din isa tinatawag ngayon ang dagat, ang river, guys. Kasi I'm here in the Baltic Sea. So river, or they called it beach, guys. Ang river dito, but it's a long river. Ang init So what time is it now? It's 2:20 here. It's 2:20 ng hapon dito. So we're going to cross the pedestrian lane. So we are a good people. We are good humanitarian. We just follow the rules. But we are there. And here the bicycle also goes. That's so nice. So basta ba? 2:20. Well, there's people around here. We're having fun because this is the beach. Ito ang tinatawag nilang dagat na. Dagat raw yan. Pero river yan, guys. So it's so much fun here. Oh, dagat na sa kanila yan, guys. Diba? Ang ganda, oh. Super. I just show you this before. Right? Nakita ko na sa inyo to sa ating mga vlog. Here. Maybe we can go walk here, guys. This right side. So in the footbridge you saw this, right? So we have walk here. Around coffee shop here, guys. This is the footbridge there. I saw you that before. Remember me this way. So ayan, ang magandang view tanawin dito sa Estonia. Diba ang ganda, oh. Ang ganda niya. Diba napaka ng mga tao dito. Sporty. I love so exercise, guys. Wala pa ni sa una. Dati. Wala pa ito dati. Itong mga puno. Pagdating ko dito. Pero ngayon, tumalaki na siya. Malaki pa sa akin. Oh, hindi ko din makita ang mga dakis. Kasi, ang daming damo. Ang ganda, guys. So this is also the river. So they called it also a beach. Guys, dagat to sa kanila. Ang river dito. Diba na ano na siya? Ang dami ng damo-damo. Hindi na nila naatiman. Hindi na nila na asikaso. Oh, diba? Dito ka upo po after your workout. So, relaxing place. It's a relaxing place, guys. Oh. Diba? Napaka-green. Green and peaceful. And you can relax talaga din eh. Dito, sarap, oh. Diyan lang ang buhay natin. Masaya na tayo. Pag nakaharap tayo sa dagat river. So, the big trees, yes. Supa here also. Look at, guys. Oh, look kayo. It's a romantic place, right? So you can bring your family here, do a picnic, family time, or your lovers. Oh, yan kayo. Guys, diba? Oh, may ano, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo ang parating nating barko. Charan! Come here! See? They're coming! Bye! Bye! So bye! They're so nice! They're waving at me also. Diba? Ganyan lang sila, pasakay-sakay lang sa barko. Sa ferry. Diba, guys, oh? Ang cute nila. Charan! Diba? Life is so good here. Life is so good. Pag relax. Kung gusto mo mag-relax, relax. Oh, Nice one. A private. Yung oras na ba? Soft time. May time ang ating pag-walking. Ang dami natin nakikita, guys. So I just share with you, right? It's a Tuesday. Yeah, it's Tuesday today. So we're walking while watching this boat. Yes, that's it. Just see this wonderland. It's ang ganda. Ang layo na nila. Diba? Nakita niyo pa ba? That's it. Uy, ang sarap ng tubig. Oh. Guys, oh, sarap ng tubig. Yes. Yan si Lola. Dati pa, nagdala ka din. Duckies is here, guys. Duckies are here. Show you. Duckies. You see? The duckies are there. Masaya sila ngayon kasi maganda ang panahon. And they can do fishing here also, guys. In this. Oh, ang ganda. In this river. Oh. Bye, ducky. See you later. Oh, say students are here. Kids are bonding with friends. Oh, they have water lily here. Pag snow time, mag-bloom na yan siya. Oh, yung mga kahoy, mga puno. It's so nice. Oh. Charot. Mga charot kayo. Diba? Ang ganda. Di ba nakita nyo to? Charot. So greeny environmental. Awesome. Perfect, guys. Ano mga puno din. Nagpapagdating ko last year. Maliit lang tayo na. Payat. Pero ngayon, ang laki na. Grabe. Guys. So, ang ating paglalakad-lakad, napunta sa river banks. Guys. River banks. Charan. May pathways pa sila papunta doon sa river. So it's so nice. The name of this canal is Ani Canal, guys. So this is the biggest also here in Estonia. So that's it. Guys. Whew. Super init. So guys, I hope you enjoy this vlog for today. It's a paglakad-lakad lang natin. Napunta sa riverbanks just to show you. I hope you enjoy and this vlog for today. So I'm going to end up because we are going to cross the big street here. Guys. So si MZ Morana sasabing thank you so much sa inyong lahat. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for your love, for your support to my YouTube. Sa inyo to lahat. Oh, guys. We're here in the underbridge. Guys, underbridge. Oh, maganda paghapos. Pakita pa sa inyo to. Oh, ang ganda ng mga kauni. But by the way, I'm so lovers in natural environment, guys. Like trees, I love trees, forest. Oh, ang ganda, guys, kasi ang ganda natin. Ang mga punong baka green. Oh, ang ganda ng bulaklak. Before I saw here cherry blossom, guys. So right now I did not. Maybe in the winter we can see. Yeah, it will bloom in winter days, guys. The cherry blossom here. So diba ang ganda, oh. Peaceful, greeny, relaxing. Ano pa ba? Ano pa ba na appreciate natin? Everything I appreciate. Just wonderful. 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 Pictures. Living place. Ayan si Kuya nagbabicycle. This is good for the body, for the health. Guys. Oh, ang ganda, oh. Diba? Ang ganda ba? Sobrang ganda ba, guys? Dito ako nakakita ng cherry blossom, guys. In this area. Last year. So, we're just looking forward to see this during the snow time here in Estonia. Right, so, ito ang kanilang ballet theater, or we can say this is classes where while they doing this dancing ballet. Ayan si MC Morena, guys. Nakita mo ba? Nakita niyo ba ako sa screen? So this is the things that they're going to wear in their ballet session. So guys, oh, ganda kasi ganda mo. Ang ganda mo, guys. Ito, si Kuya nag-fishing. So, there's another footbridge here. Statue of the kids. So I want to show you the statue here, guys. So si ate nag-relaxing lang. Relax. Yung mga students. Guys, so ang ganda, oh. Diba ang ganda ng footbridge? Yeah, oh. So what time is it now? It's 2:30. Nakita ko sa inyo ang statue ni Manong Pedro. Guys, I'll show you the statue of Manong Pedro. I called him Manong Pedro because he's so looking nice face. He's nice face, guys. This is him. Guys. Oh, he's so big. And his name is, where can we find his name? In this one, yes, Stevenard Logan Rumast J.V. Johnson. And this is also, guys, oh, si Lydia Kudo is at home. This is him. This is her. So it's so nice. Oh, wow. So eat it. So guys, I'm going to end this vlog. Thank you for watching and hope you're gonna like this. So please subscribe, likes, and comments down below for this vlog so we can answer you guys. Thank you so much. So guys, oh, look at this. Paalam. I'm gonna end this vlog. Don't forget to comment. Okay? Subscribe. And likes. Mabuhay. Tayong lahat.